Good evening. The date, 3/3/2019, 4:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Yeah, it is. I've got this Amazon trade that I want to share with you. And here it is right now. Amazon's been coming up really nice. The 200-day moving average, that's where the 200-day moving average is, up above it. And I'm going to go ahead and just blow this up right here because we're going to come up and we're going to test that 200-day moving average. Last time we tested it, we sold down with the broader volatility in the market. This time we're going to go straight right up into it. And yes, we still have a buy signal. We have a 1633 right here. That's the moving average convergence divergence. Yes, the MACD has a buy signal. It did not go into a sell signal. And that is why support is going to hold. And that is why these option trades are going to pay a lot of money by buying the call contracts up and out of the money. So basically, we had a consolidation above that black line. That was a 50-day moving average. The orange one is a 100-day moving average at 1639. And it is. I will draw a trend line of a short-term resistance, and it's going to be the bottom of that candle right here. Yes, it is. So that's going to be that resistance up there and whatnot. And just let me tell everybody, Amazon had a big breakout with 334 highs, and it did. And the money flow was 471 million that came into the stock on the closing bell Friday. This is a weekly chart on Amazon.com, and it is. So that black line that you see right there, that is what we call a 50-week moving average at 1684. Now, when I go over here, blow this top up, the 40-week moving average at 1724, which is almost perfect on the daily chart of the 200-day moving average at 1725. Now, what we're saying is that we've had multiple weeks on this weekly chart of consolidating. You heard what I said. I said consolidating with lower price volatility. So basically, the 10-week moving average at 1618, and we tested it a few times, the blue line, because we did and whatnot. So what I am going to do is go ahead and I'm going to blow this up so you can see it carefully. That 10-week is rising. It's about to cross above. That red line is a 20-week moving average at 1617, and we're well above it. And we are. This is the weekly wick on the weekly wick from last week. And you could see how those buyers came right in. And the week, last week, the body of the price is full. It's not a narrow range price body. The weekly chart, that trend line right here in 2018 is where it busted down, got support at the 100-week moving average, and has rallied all the way up. Now, just to keep this right where it should be, is we're going to draw that trend line, which is the high of that weekly what? The weekly bar right here. And we're going to go higher. And we're going to buy the call options. We own the call options right now. And we do. So I'm going to show you something about a call chart. 99% of the people who trade options have never seen a call chart. And you know you haven't. This is a 1690 call up and out of the money. Yes, and it's a monthly expiration. And yes, let me show you guys and girls is that there's a lot of room for the call side of the market to go up here. So basically, Friday's movement on this daily chart and the call side of the market. And, you know, these calls are going to outperform a lot of other trades only because the call chart tells you at the 1690 strike price. They bought 2,797 call contracts on Friday, expiration day. They came in here and they really purchased it. They were 490 on the low. They were $12.90 on the high, and I'm going to steal that bid, and I'm going to get paid, and you can get paid. If you want to get paid, you'll do the following: turbooptiontrading.com. You heard it. And we have a community, an online community, and you get to put your profile. You get all kinds of settings in here. It's going to keep you going. You're going to be able to communicate with the rest of the people. You heard what I said. And all you got to do is go up here, and like when I want to show my activity, let's say I want to show my activity right here, personal, bam. We have the number one online trading community that you're going to get a chance to get involved with. And you're going to be able to see all the posts and everything. You're going to be able to comment. You can make it a favorite or you can delete it. Okay? And that's with each and every one of the community features. Mine's Tommy Trader. So I want you to show one thing is the following. Join our community. You can make friends. You have a messenger that you can use in here and whatnot. So you have your settings that you can set everything that you want. We have a messenger and an email address that will be assigned to you. You can create your favorite groups that you want. And like I said, take advantage of everything that's here that offers you the best outcome. Join the number one online trading community. And once again, you're going to be able to get all kinds of free events from us, and you will. I'm concluding this big trade on Amazon, and we hold at Amazon right now. And we made a lot of money on Amazon last week. And right now, we own up and out of the money. We got the 1670 call. Yes, we do. And we got the 1675 call. That's the 1675 right here. They were $10 on the low and 19.49 on the high. We have the 1670 calls, and yes, we do. And we bought these for 11.75. They went up to 22.18. And here's the call chart. Here's the call chart for you option traders. You guys trade options. You don't even ever see a call chart or put chart. Why are you even trying to do something that you don't even have real access to show you what you should be doing? TurboOptionTrading.com.